If health is wealth, the only available liquid for a healthy sanitation system is water. The water facilities for various systems of habitats according to the standards in India are from 40 to 140 liters per day per head. After use, the water gets impure and polluted. As this water is not properly processed, it gets mixed with the natural pure water resources. Everywhere, from rivers to wells, the water resources are getting polluted and are endangering health. The ecological balance is getting disturbed due to various factors. It is therefore necessary to address the sanitation, processing of wastewater and disposal of the wastes on top priority for health. EcoSan is a scientific way in reducing the use of water without health hazards. EcoSan is a way that shows multifaceted benefits to the households as well as the community. While everywhere in the world, the EcoSan is being drafted and recommended for households, Badlapur, a small town in Thane district of Maharashtra, had shown that EcoSan is equally important for an ensemble which is as large as a college with thousands of students. Kulgaon Badlapur Municipal Council has won many awards for path-breaking projects such as rainwater harvesting, and hence EcoSan was the next. Mr. Ram Patkar, President of KBMC, has been the brain behind this project. The councillors and staff of KBMC provided the needed support. Technical assistance for Badlapur EcoSan was provided by GTZ Germany and their dedicated team at the EcoSan Foundation, Pune. The finance for the project came from MMR Environmental Society, division of the MMRDA. The student strength at Adarsh Vidya Mandir College is 2,500. During holidays, the campus is given on hire and see about 500 users.
From the beginning of this project, we are over here. Can you guide us about this?
We have used waterless urinals here, WC pans, which are unique and which are not used anywhere else. We have a treatment system here which is by gravity, where no electricity or chemicals are required for treatment. And this is the EcoSan concept of treatment system. And this is used for first time in Maharashtra. These are waterless urinals in which membrane attachments are fixed here at the bottom of the urinals, so that water consumption is nil for cleaning here, and no urine vapors will come out from the below pipes. These are the special types of waterless urinals. Steep slope WC pans here, in which water consumption will be very less. Around 30 to 40% water is required for cleaning these toilets, and we have not provided water taps here. We will bring water in bucket from bathroom. This is handicapped toilet with Indian type of commode, in which black water will be collected separately and human excreta will be collected from here. This is urine collection pipes, in which the urine from the gents urinals will be collected and it will be stored in the urine collection tank. Here the urine collection tank is there. It is having its capacity of 1000 liter. Urine will be stored here for 4 to 6 weeks. These valves will be operated daily for cleaning purpose, and water will go to the treatment system while cleaning the urinals. This is the first chamber of the treatment system, in which black water, grey water and urine will be collected separately. Second chamber is inspection chambers, through which we can inspect the biogas dome. Third chamber is the biogas dome of the main treatment system. It is having its capacity of 8000 liters. Here 40% gas will be collected from here. These are the gas pipes from which gas will be collected and used there. Sludge will settle here, human excreta will be settled here, and water will come to the next chamber, compensation chamber. This is a dome type structure. This is the compensation chamber, in which the water column will be there. This water column will push the gas from this biogas dome. These are the pipes, ventilation pipes, from which extra gas will be released. These are the treatment system. These are the baffle reactors in which 60% gas will be collected from these pipes, and these 6 chambers are interconnected so that gas will be collected from there. These are the inspection pipes, 6 inspection pipes from which we can take the water samples so that we can check the purification process. From each compartment we can take the water samples. The 4 film reactors are there in which filter media is being placed so that water will be filtered here and the final water will be come out from here. These are the wetlands. We have placed coarse metal and fine metal there so that water will be filtered from here to there, and we have planted the banana trees. The banana trees are on the black water which is now filtered. The water from our treatment system will be collected and this water will be used for gardening and car washing purpose. This water is having its BOD is of less than 20. This is banana tree garden. We will divide this garden in 3 parts. One will be on municipal water, another will be on municipal water plus urine, and third is water from the treatment system. It is found that the water from the treatment system is good for trees.
As per EcoSan, the solid excreta, urine and wash water are all separated at the point of action. The solid excreta generated here is about 7 cubic meters per day. The urine from boys' urinals is about 300 liters per day. The new toilet building at the college has waterless urinals for gents which are totally odorless. At the same time, the flush toilets consume 3 liters per flush. Anaerobic treatment of the wastes produces biogas.
So what is the criteria actually used in this particular project? Can you guide us?
Well, this is unique project erected here with the help of Nagarpalika, Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Adarsh Vidya Prasarak Sanstha and Adarsh College, and it is tremendous. It gives tremendous benefit to not only to students but to teachers also, and we are teaching very unique kind of guidance of cleanliness. It is said that cleanliness is next to godliness. Maintain it, enjoy it. But giving the practical lesson with the help of this toilet project, we are giving these lessons of cleanliness to the students, and it is really useful to our students and teachers.
This is basically a German technology based project called as EcoSan. EcoSan, it is composed of 2 different words. That is ecological sanitation, where we are having ecological balances to be maintained, and for that sanitation is to be done in a proper way and proper manner. For that we are having a number of toilets and urinals we are using. We are using the urinals. The speciality of these urinals, you can see and you can observe that they are waterless. We are consuming the less water, as less water we can use over here for urinals. Still our urinals are odorless urinals. You can see that. The basic concept we are using over here, or we are giving the importance to one of the most important thing is that we are recycling the water, and as well as excreta is also used, fertilizers and preparing gas. The water that is coming out of these urinals that can be used for recycling and preparing, maintaining the full nice garden over here. This technology which we are using is first time used in Maharashtra, and with the help of these German engineers, they have helped us very nicely in this project. And I will recommend that all the villages where there is scarcity of water or drinking itself, from where to get the water for sanitation, and if we go on this type of projects, definitely it is going to help in the future, as well as it will save a lot of water over here. I will recommend that as our Kulgaon Badlapur Municipal Corporation has taken initiative in constructing this project, I'll request number of municipal corporations as well as number of Gram Panchayat to proceed to come forward and to undertake such projects with the help of these engineers. Thank you.
EcoSan puts maximum importance on reuse. Wash water is reused for gardening. Urine collected goes as enriched fertilizer. Biogas can be used for cooking purposes. Biogas technology has been provided by Mr. Veerappan from Thailand. The sludge from the system can be composted for improving soil fertility. In short, EcoSan means total reuse of water, nutrients and energy. The biogas settler generates about 800 liters of gas per day. With baffle reactors, gas generation goes to 1,200 liters per day. KBMC is now considering a new sanitation center at the college. Both ladies and gents toilets are connected to a common biogas as well as urine collection tanks. Thanks to EcoSan, the gents toilet blocks at the college do not use any water at all, and still there is no smell of any kind here. Membrane technology does away with the smell. The collected urine is used for agriculture. EcoSan is thus the most beneficial process for saving of water on earth. Badlapur recently had huge problems about the sanitation systems. The conventional systems were used large amount of water and also polluted the water resources due to the wastewater. On the EcoSan, Shri Ram Patkar, KBMC President said,
EcoSan has been recognized all over the world. We are bringing the benefits to the Badlapur resident. There will be water saving and also health benefits to the community. And for this particular project, Kurgaon Badlapur Municipal Council is thankful to GTZ, German government company, and EcoSan Services Foundation, Pune, MMRDS, MMR Environment Society and Indian Water Works Associations, as well as Adarsh Vidya Prasarak Sanstha, Kurgaon.
KBMC CEO Mr. S.S. Dhupe said,
Kurgaon Badlapur Municipal Council has been always progressive, and we shall bring best techniques and practices from world to the Badlapur.
Ecological sanitation systems avoid the discharge of domestic wastewater into the environment. It also enables reuse of the nutrients, organics, water and energy contained in excreta and wastewater. Kurgaon Badlapur Municipal Council has fully vouched for the United Nations Millennium Development Goals (MDG) in water supply and sanitation, and is putting on their best efforts for EcoSan projects which could be duplicated at other places.